You ever try to just sit down and be grateful, like the books tell you to, but your brain just starts thinking, cool, but what if we moved to Bali? You know what's interesting is that's not you failing at mindfulness. That's actually just biology. Your brain is wired for constant seeking. When ancient humans got too comfortable, a tiger would sneak up on them, they'd become dinner. So that restless itch you feel when you're trying to be in the moment, that is not a flaw. That is not a dysfunction. That is your brain trying to keep you alive. Now, if you're an introvert or an INFJ especially, you're really tuned into this primal biology. You feel it more than a typical person. You live by it. It's a part of you. You've embodied it at a deep level. So relaxing, being in the moment, being grateful, really sitting in those thoughts is extremely difficult to do. It almost feels wrong. It almost feels like a threat, like you're putting yourself in danger. The stillness feels like you're letting your guard down. INFJs just sense too much. Our power of sense is both a gift and a curse. Modern society tells you to be grateful, be present, just be here now. But your biology is saying, what if the economy crashes? How am I going to retire? What if that tiger comes back? Little tip for you, your body responds better to gratitude when you're in motion. Walking, working out, whatever. That's when you should have those grateful thoughts. Somehow your biology can sense it as like, oh, I'm not off guard because I'm in motion, more of its natural element. And this is how you can practice having positive thoughts about who you are, where you're at, and this gift you have of life without feeling like the moment those thoughts sneak in, someone's going to stab you in the back. There's enough to be scared about. You can have a moment of gratitude. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.